Apple Store at Singapore Changi Airport Jewel. Look at the chaps cleaning, leave it gleaming white. Apple Store. Pretty large store at the Jewel at Changi Airport, Singapore. Come by and check it out if you are in the vicinity. So were 2 stories, pretty nice, pretty neat. And I'm glad to see people shopping, because right here at Jewel it was so quiet when I was here. And the nice indoor fountain, and the fountain wasn't even on, so it's just a big fountain area, one big bowl look like thing. Jewel, when will it come on again? Singapore Changi Airport, October 2021. Bye bye.